Hello, welcome to my channel 2 Minutes Technology, and today I am going to talk about statistics. How do we solve mean, median, standard deviation in Microsoft Excel? So we have two data set here, India and Australia, and these are basically run scored by India and Australia in last few matches. And we would like to calculate mean, median, standard deviation for these two data set and compare whose performance is better. So in order to calculate mean, in Excel we have a formula called average, and then I can select all the data values. So the average score or mean for India is 326. Let's duplicate the copy the formula for Australia by pressing Ctrl R, and the average score for Australia is 323, 3 less than what of India. So in a way, India performs better than Australia. Right, let's calculate mean median equals to median, sorry. Alright, so median, again you can select the dataset from here to here and do the same for Australia. So median for India is 313, whereas median for Australia is 320. And then let's okay, so you understood how did we calculate median? We said median and then we selected the range. And if you see the formula, it says equals to median C4 to C13. So I would like to give you a tip here that always name your range, so that while you see the formula, you get to know what the range is for. So instead of this, what I should have done, basically I should have selected this and define name. I should have called it India, and I should have selected this range and again define it as Australia and said okay. And instead of saying median there, I could have said median and India, and that would have given me the same value. Basically here it is in one decimal point. When you do this in one decimal point there as well, it gives you the same value. But while you edit the formula, it says C4 to C13, it says India, it gives better idea. So always range the name. Okay, so I'll delete this. Now here we would like to calculate the standard deviation, population standard deviation, and the formula for that is standard deviation dot p, and you can select the range. But I said, as I told you, don't select the range, just name it India, hit tab so that it is selected, hit enter, and calculate standard deviation, population standard deviation for India. Let's do the same for Australia. Hit enter, it's calculate for you. Let's calculate sample standard deviation for India. Hit tab, enter. Australia, hit tab, hit enter. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.